Yes, sir. Let's talk about how to lose belly fat fast, guys, how to lose weight fast, how to burn belly fat, how to get rid of belly fat, and how to get skinny fast, guys. Over the past month of June, I decided to go under a diet because I had gained some belly fat. I'm going to either put some pictures in the video or in the thumbnail so you guys can see how much weight I lost. But over the month of June, I actually lost 10 pounds while still eating carbs, fats, pizza, junk food, liquor, all types of stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how you can lose weight without giving up all the stuff you love. And honestly, I could have lost 20 pounds in a month, but I lost 10 pounds in a month because I was still eating pizza and junk food and stuff like that. So this is step by step how you guys can lose fat fast, how you can lose belly fat fast, how you can lose weight. All right, guys. So step one, first thing you're going to want to do is determine your maintenance calories. So your maintenance calories is how much calories your body needs every day just for the energy that you expend on a daily basis just being alive. So for example, you might need 2,500 calories a day, and that might be your maintenance calories. So the step one of losing weight is determining what your maintenance calories is. Go on Google, search maintenance calorie calculator, and then click one, and then enter your figure out what your calories are using the maintenance calorie calculator. Once you do that, the step number two is going to be eat 10% less calories than what your maintenance calories are. So if the maintenance calorie calculator tells you your maintenance calories are 3,000, then you're going to want to eat 10% less calories than that, which would be 300 less calories. So you, instead of eating 3,000 calories per day, you'd be eating 2,700 calories per day. That's called a caloric deficit. So step two is eat 10% less calories than your maintenance calories. Step three, you're going to want to calculate your macronutrients, guys. Macronutrients pretty much means protein, fat, and carbs. So you're going to want to calculate how much protein, how much fat, and how much carbs you should be eating per day. That's the main thing when it comes to losing weight, guys, is your calories and your macronutrients. So I'm going to tell you guys how much protein, fat, and carbs you should be eating per day. You can write this down or ask me in the comments if you guys forget. So you're going to be eating 1 gram of protein per pound of body fat. 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So if you're 180 pounds, you're going to eat 180 grams of protein. So for fat, you're going to want to eat 0.5 grams of fat per pound of body weight. So if you weigh 200 pounds, you're going to be eating 100 grams of fat. And then the rest of your calories are going to come from carbs. So for a 200 pound person, they would be eating 200 grams of protein. They'd be eating 100 grams of fat, and then the rest of their calories would be coming from carbs. So that's your macronutrients. So I'm going to recap after. So step three was determine your macronutrients, protein, fat, and carbs, how much you should be eating. Step four, you're going to want to get a calorie counter, a calorie tracker. I recommend MyFitnessPal. It's free. Just go on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Download MyFitnessPal. You can track your calories. They track your protein, carbs, and fats and everything, so it's really easy. The important thing about tracking your calories is to make sure that you're eating how much macros you should be eating and you're eating how much calories you should be eating. If you try to do it off the top of your head, you're definitely not going to get any results. Trust me, guys. And the step five, the fifth and final step, is make sure you are meeting your macros and calories without going over. If you go over your calories and your macros consistently, then you're going to gain weight. But if you consistently stay underneath your macros and calories, or consistently meet your macros and calories, then you're going to lose weight the way you want to. You'll probably lose about 1 pound to 2 pounds every single week. But I'm going to give you guys some extra tips now on how you can lose more weight and some things you should be worried about. But quickly, let me recap the 5 steps on how you can lose weight fast. Step number 1, determine your maintenance calories. Google maintenance calorie calculator and use that. Step number 2, eat 10% less calories than your maintenance. So if your maintenance calories is 3,000, you would eat 300 less calories. Step number 3, calculate your macros. And I told you guys you'll be eating 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. You're going to be eating 0.5 grams of fat per pound of body weight, and then the rest of your calories will come from carbs. It's okay to eat carbs, guys. Don't let these people fool you like you have to eat low carb and low fat diet to lose weight. It's not true. I lost 10 pounds in a month. I was eating pizza, I was eating carbs, bread every single day. So it's really not true. Science backs it up. So step 4, get MyFitnessPal, track your calories. Step 5, make sure you guys are consistently every day meeting your calories and your macros. All right, so now we're going to get into some extra steps to help you guys lose weight. Just going to run these off quick. So you guys can eat bread, fat, carbs, pizza, wine, as long as you meet your calories and macros. So the main thing to lose weight is just keep track of your calories, keep track of your macros. And if you want to lose more weight and you want to maintain more muscle and lose more fat, then you're going to want to work out 3 to 5 times a week. You don't have to work out, but if you want to keep more muscle and lose more fat, then working out 3 to 5 times a week will help you build more muscle and burn more calories. Do cardio 1 to 5 times a week. Doing cardio will help you burn more calories, which will help you lose more weight. So cardio 1 to 5 times a week. That will help you lose more weight. Take a diet break every 2 weeks. So if you're on a diet where you're eating less calories than your maintenance, after 2 weeks, do a 1 week diet break. A diet break is when you eat back at your maintenance calories. So if for your diet, you're eating 2,500 calories and your maintenance calories is 2,800, then for your diet break week, you're going to eat 2,800 calories. So you're going to do 2 weeks, 2,500 calories, then 1 week diet break, 2,800 calories, then 2 weeks, 2,500 calories, then 1 week, 2,800 calories, and just keep rotating like that. So what other tips do I have for you guys? Create a diet that you can be consistent with. You don't have to just eat lettuce. Put foods in your diet that you enjoy. If you enjoy eggs, eat eggs. If you enjoy bread, eat bread. If you enjoy pizza, but eat it in moderation. Like for me, I would stay on my diet Monday to Friday, then Saturday and Sunday would be my cheat meals. I would have cheat meals. I wouldn't have whole cheat days, but I would have cheat meals. So for dinner, I would have pizza, wings, Chinese food, whatever the case may be. But during the day, I would be eating shit like turkey bacon, lean chicken tacos, etc., etc. So what else? Do I have any other tips? You guys can do super cuts if you want to lose more weight. So if you're eating at 10% caloric deficit, then you can add another 5% caloric deficit to lose some more weight. So pretty much eating 200 to 100 less calories. And the last thing I want to tell you guys is if you have an event coming up where you want to like eat a lot of food and drink a lot, all you have to do is during the week eat 100 less calories per day. So instead of eating 2,500 calories, eat 2,400 calories, and that will give you 500 extra calories that you can eat at your event. Because that's how it works. Like if you guys, it's like a weekly basis thing. So if you eat 1,000 calories one day, then 2,000 calories the next, it's more like 1,500 calories for both days. You don't lose weight every single day. It's like an over week thing. So yeah, guys, that's how you lose weight fast. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. Like the video if this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos and shit like that. All right, peace.